As you may remember in the earlier video, I talked about the academic standards. First of all, what I'd like to do is we are going to talk about the academic standards, but I also want to say that all these videos are stored in one document, and this is part of the document. And at the end of the document, there are steps at a glance that briefly put into text what the videos are saying. However, the videos are important because they show you exactly what you need to do. So the first thing you're going to do after you've selected your grade level, you're going to go to the standards. And so the first one is here. And there's actually two resources that you want to be using. And this one is particular. It's set up with the Common Core and the WITA English language standards. And you should use this as a guide only, but it's a good guide. And so, for example, it's set up according to high school topics, and it's set up by middle school topics. And then in elementary, it is topics, but it's also broken down to grade levels and so forth. You're going to be interested in reading because this is the reading course. And so let's just come up here and let's take this one here for example. This is a great resource, really great resource that you could use easily outside of the class. Outside of this class. For here, I'm asking you just to use it as a guide as opposed to actually doing things here. So it tells you here, this is the overall standard. This is vocabulary strategies. And this is the overall standard. And it breaks it down to the different levels. And it tells you what they would be able to do at that particular level, which is really, really nice. Very, very nice. So this is a great resource for you. Now, the website that I just took you to does not really have kindergarten, and it's not comprehensive. It does have math, but it's not 100% comprehensive. So if you click here, you're taken to the Common Core standards, and you can use this in the exact same way. What I do is when I'm on here, first of all, I think what I might do is make it a little bit larger. And I do a Control F and I look up reading. And I type in reading. And that way it just pops up everything. Reading standards here for 6 to 12. English language arts. So if you just do that and reading standards for literature K through 5. So you might click on here, and it gives you the standards. And these are the standards that you would use in this form here. Okay, so that concludes this particular video, and more will come.